In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the Group Policy Editor in Windows 11. Open any web browser of your device and then type Group Policy Editor Installer for Windows 11 in the search bar. Look for a reliable source to download the installer and download it and install it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Group Policy Editor. Next, open Command Prompt as an administrator by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Enter. Enter the command prompt window and type the following command and press Enter. Wait for the process to complete, and then verify and open Group Policy Editor. Press the Windows logo key +R and type gpedit.msc and press Enter. If the Group Policy Editor opens, then the installation was successful. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.